And we're going to look at how to do question 2 of 11F.1. Okay, so we did graphing in y-intercept form. Now we're going to do graphing in general form. So this is going to allow you, on your notes book, we've got 11F1 here, that's y-intercept form, and we've got 11F1 general form here. So we're going to do these two questions now. Okay? So the first one, 2x plus 3y is 6. And the second one, 2x take 4y is minus 8. We know it's general form because x and y are on the same side of the equation. Now, when it's in general form, it's actually quite easy to graph them. What we need to do is first identify the x-intercept. So you think, so Amber and Kevin, listening here, this one's going to be important, and Bailey. The x-intercept occurs when it crosses the x-axis, right? What's the y value when it crosses the x-axis? 0. Okay, so we're going to put 0 into this equation. If y is 0, we have 2x equals 6. So I'm going to write that statement. 2x equals 6, which means x has to equal 3. Alright? We divide both sides by 2, or you can just see it by intuition. So when y is 0, the value of x is 3. That means the x-intercept is 3. That's where it crosses the x-axis. Alright? Similarly, the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, what's the x value here? X is 0 for all those values, isn't it? So when x is 0, we cover it up, we've got positive 3y equals 6. Okay? So then the y value that makes this true is 2. The y-intercept is 2. And once you have those two things, you draw a line through those points. This is the equation, this is the graph of that line. Okay? So some people do find this skill a bit easier. Identify the x-intercept, identify the y-intercept, and then draw a line through them. Okay, let's have a go at the next one. We have 2x take 4y equals minus 8. So first the x-intercept, I've got 2x equals minus 8. Alright, to get x by itself, we divide both sides by 2, we'll get x is minus 4. So the x-intercept, where it crosses the x-axis, minus 4. Alright, the y-intercept. Y-intercept occurs when x is 0. Now notice, with this one, I've got minus 4y equals minus 8. Minus 4y equals minus 8. So we have to include the negative. When x is 0, minus 4y equals minus 8. And now to get y by itself, we're going to divide both sides by minus 4. Alright, so I was showing you equations yesterday. We do anything we want as long as we do it to both sides. Here we have minus 4 at the top and bottom. We'll cancel. And minus 8 divided by minus 4 is positive 2. Two negatives will cancel. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So then the y-intercept is 2. Alright, and so then once we've plotted both those points, we can draw the line. Okay, so this one was the first line, 2x plus 3y is 6. And this one was the second line, 2x take 4y, 8. Alright, so that's how we draw graphs in general form. So we'll do this still for about 10 minutes. I said I wanted to split it up into two parts. Alright, so